Welcome back to our virtual activity corner. We are back with another craft today, and this time we are making whales. We are super excited. With you, you should have a paper plate that is cut into 2 pieces, part of a whale's tail, and then our little splash that comes out of the top of the whale. To begin, we are going to take this big part of the plate and put it in front of you with the flat part down. Next, we're going to attach part of the tail. So we are going to take the thin part and attach it to the other piece of the plate. But we're going to attach it on the back side like this. And we sort of have our little tail going on. Next, we are going to attach the tail to the back of the body of our whale. Take off the backing of the glue dot. And we're going to attach it to the side. Like so. We have our whale coming to life. We are then going to take the little splash, if we can get the glue dot off of the back. There we go. And we are going to attach it to the top of the head of the whale, just like that. Our last step is going to be drawing on our smile and the eye of the whale, however you would like to do that. And with that, we are finished. Thank you guys for joining us for the craft. I hope you guys do this craft and post lots of pictures to our Facebook or our Instagram and tag us in it at Myrtle Beach Travel Park. Bye guys.